We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's learn flair 4. We'll start basic on 1, slow. Did you know that flair 4 is tap cross 4 plus flair 1? See for yourself. Let's go. Tap cross 4 with the left and flair 1. Now with the right. Tap cross 4 with the right. Yeah, and flair 1. Doing great. Basic. And don't forget to go over tap cross 4 and flair 1 in the links below. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7 with the right. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Basic. And notice that we use the end counts. Let's go. Last time slow. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7 with the right. Get ready for full speed. Yes, basic. Go. 1. And let's go. Flair 4. Tap cross 4 and flair 1. Doing great. Basic. And give me one more. 1. 1. Basic. One more time. Let's go. 1. 1. Yeah, doing great. Let's do it again. Slow. The more you practice, the better you get. So make sure to go through all practice. Let's go with the left. Tap cross 4 with the left and flair 1. Now with the right. Tap cross 4 with the right and yes, flair 1. Basic. And don't forget the master tip at the end. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Basic. And of course, don't forget to smile. Yeah. Let's go again. Last time slow. Tap cross 4 with the left and flair 1. Now with the right. And get ready for, I think you know it, full speed, basic, go. 1. And let's go. This is flair 4. Basic. Give me one more. 1. 5. Basic. Last time, yeah, go. 1. 1. Now let's practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Tap cross 4 and flair 1. Just start with your right. Basic on 2 slow. And just start with the right. Yeah. With the right, tap cross 4. Tap cross 4 with the right and flair 1. Now with the left. Tap cross 4 with the left and flair 1. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go again with the right. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. With the left. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Basic. And of course, don't forget the end counts. Yeah, let's go. One more time. Doing great. And 5, and 7. Get ready for full speed. 1 basic. On 2. Go. 1. And let's go with the right. With the left. 1. Basic. You know what? Give me one more. Let's go. With the left. Basic. And one more time. 1. Looking good. Yeah, let's do it again. Slow, basic. Practice makes progress, and if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's go again with the right. Tap cross 4 and flair 1. Now with the left. Tap cross 4 with the left and flair 1. I think you're doing great. Basic 1. And of course, don't miss the monster tip at the end. One more time. 1, 2, 3 and 5 and 7 with the left. 1, 2, 3 and 5 and 7. Basic. And don't forget to check out Tap Cross 4 and Flair 1 in the links below. Let's go! Tap Cross 4 with the right and Flair 1, which makes it Flair 4 with the left. And get ready for, full speed, basic. 1. Let's go! 1. 1. Basic. Give me one more. And basic. And you guessed it. Yes, one more time. Go. 1. Looking good. Now, let's practice face to face. I'll flip the screen. Continue basic on 2 slow. Yeah, and let's go for 3 in a row. With the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And 5 and 7. Now with the left. Remember, no basic. So let's go for the second time with the right. This is tap cross 4 and this is flair 1. Together, flair 4. Now with the left. Looking good. Now with the right. This is the third time. Get ready for full speed. Coming right up. Yeah, full speed, basic. And let's go with the right. 1. 1. Remember, no basic. Second time. With the left. And third time. Now let's do it all on 1. Basic on 1 slow. Yeah. And let's go for 3 in a row with the left. 1, 2, 3 and 5 and 7. Looking good. With the right. And 5. Remember, no basic. This is the second time. And 5 and 7. This is tap cross 4. Yeah, and this is flair 1. Yeah. Third time. Get ready for full speed. We'll start with the basic. Let's go, basic. And 3 in a row with the left. With the right. Remember, no basic. Second time. Looking good. Keep practicing. 1. 1. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: you can add a chest drop to the tap cross 4 part.